Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is September 29th, 2020. It's a bee day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, in our PE class, I saw scholars doing burpees. I saw scholars working hard. They were in their houses doing all the many different type of exercises that Coach Frank asked you. Nice job, scholars. Way to stay fit. Also, I saw scholars in our first, second, third, fourth, and fifth grade scholars all in. There were scholars sitting up tall, college ready, eyes on the teacher. Nice job making sure that you're ready to learn. I want to remind everybody, even if you're at home learning, make sure you have those cameras on and you're working hard. I also want to give a big shout out to Miss Cardenas. I had a parent reach out to me yesterday and tell me what an amazing lesson she heard Miss Cardenas deliver. So nice job, Miss Cardenas. All right, team and family, it is time to start our day. It's a great day for learning. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot.